E and I sounds. Ben and his red bin. Very good morning, children. Today, in our English classwork, we are going to have the recap of E and I sound words. Okay? So, first you start with the date. Today is 3rd of December 1 to 12, 2021, and it's Friday, Friday, Friday. Okay, now this is second topic, Ben, 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 And, and, His, his, Red, red, bin, Ben and his red bin. So this lesson we have already read in the workbook. So today, as a recap, we will be writing once in the classwork, once in the English classwork, and then you are going to read it for the next full week. Okay. And in Monday online class, I'll be asking you to read Sam's story. Okay, fine. Now let's read. Ben, Ben. Is a kid. Ben is a kid. Now each line you are going to read twice. Once you will spell Ben. Once you will read the spelling Ben, and then Ben is a kid. Second time you will read Ben is a kid. Now read like this. Once you read with the spelling, and then you will know what it is. You will read directly. Now he, has, a, red, bin. E has a red bin. Now again, Ben is a kid. Who is a kid? Ben is a kid. What he has? He has a red bin. Okay. The bin. Has a lid. The bin has a lid. The bin. Is near. Near. His bed. The bin is near his bed. The the tin on the bed. The tin is on the bed. Ben, put. The tin in the bin. Now try to read. Ben put the tin in the bin. Okay, Ben put the tin in the bin. The tin tin E-L-L, fell. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. B-I-N, bin. The tin fell in the bin. W-I-T-H, with a din. D-I-N, din. So, try reading again. Ben is a kid. He has a red bin. The bin has a lid. The bin is near his bed. The tin is on the bed. Ben put the tin in the bin. The tin fell in the bin with a din. Okay, children? So once you write in the classwork, and then you have to practice reading. So this coming week from Monday, you have to submit oral. The topic 1. Topic 1 oral is Sam, Pam and the rat. This is oral. Please mark a date. So mark the date 6/12/1/21 Monday. Oral reading, okay, in online class. So please be present for the online class. Few kids are regularly absent. Few kids are not coming for the online session. Later it will be very difficult. Please join the class and prepare this Sam, Pam and the rat story reading, okay? And then the Ben and his red bin. This topic will be for the next whole week. You will be reading. So practice. And now after this, you are going to write cursive letter O in your cursive pattern. See where you wrote C, A. Next page you have to continue O. Today introduction to pattern O. Now how will we write O? Watch carefully, children. Here the pattern is same. Slanting line. You know how to write slanting line, and then you know to write C. This C turns as A. You know, right? Now we are going to write A. C. Make A. Now this A you are going to write as O. Now how you will write? Slanting line, bend down, come back, C, A. Now go join it, make a loop inside and touch the blue line. This is O. Okay, this is the pattern you need to follow. Again I'll show you. Slanting line, bend down, go back, C, go join it, come in and make a loop and touch the red line. You have to touch the red line. O pattern. Okay. Children, now again I'll show you how to write O. So this is the pattern you need to, it will be easy by step. Slanting line C, A, O, and then O will be continuous. See, I don't want to lift the hand. I'll be joining it together. Touch the blue line, slanting line, bend down, C, go join it, make a loop, O, and again touch the, you'll be touching the blue line. Now again bend down, come back, C, go and make a loop, touch the blue line, bend down, C, make a loop, and when you're coming out you have to touch the blue line here. So this is how you will be writing O. This is single O. Again I'll show you. Bend down, C, now go up and join it. If you come down and make a small curve, it's A. Now you'll not come down, just go back again, make a loop and touch the blue line, O. This is cursive O. Slanting line, bend down, C, go join it, make O. O. Okay. First practice slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Once you finish full slanting lines, then you can go for C pattern. C, make sure you are writing C correctly. Don't come out of the line. Once the C is over, then try to write A. This is A. A. Right inside the blue lines. Now O. Slanting, bend down, come back, make a loop, O. O. Now how will you write? O. O. Okay children, once you learn this, you will enjoy writing cursive writing. O. O pattern. Fine. After this, so tomorrow Saturday and Sunday you have no classes, so you can finish your work. Once you are done with this, in the next page you will be writing C. C, 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 C 4 times, and then give space, write A, 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 A without lifting your hand. The only condition is you should not lift your hand in middle. After A, now we will be writing O. Four times, okay, like a chain. This is for Saturday. I'll give the date for Saturday. 4, 12, 2 and 21. Recap. Okay, and from Monday we will start with a new letter, another new letter. So practice this and be thorough with these 3 letters. Okay children? Fine. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.